This conference will now be recorded.
Right. Uh, yes, guys. In the previous class, we discussed about selectors. Selectors. The selectors. So we have two types, right, guys? Basic selectors, and advanced guys. Advanced. Okay, selectors. The basic selectors. We have given three names, right, guys? We have given three names. The first one is ID selector, guys. The second one is what? Second one class, right? The class selector. Okay, class guys, class selector. The third one, guys. What's third one? Allah, what's third one? ID selector. ID selector. That's all. In case of advanced, what is the first one? All of you. Advanced. What is the first one? All of you. What is the first one? Universal, guys. Right? Universal. Or we can say star selector. Okay. Star guys. Star selector. Then what second one, guys? All of you. All of you. What is second one? What is the second one, guys? All of let me know. Everybody. What second one? You can take descendant, guys, right? You can take the descendant, okay? Descendant, like descendant, guys, right? Descendant, yes, descendant selector, guys, okay? Descendant selector, right? Descendant, guys. Next one, guys. Next one, guys. Which one? Adjacent, right, guys? Okay. Third one is adjacent. Okay, adjacent, guys. Adjacent, something like this, right? Adjacent, guys. Adjacent selector. What's the fourth one we discussed? What's the fourth one, guys? All of you. Attribute, guys. Attribute selector. And also we discussed like grouping selector. Grouping, guys. Right? Grouping selector we discussed. And also we discussed which one? Nth of type, guys. Nth of type selector. Nth of type. Nth of type selector. Like that, in the previous classes we discussed all the selectors, right? But actually this nth of type, these are the pseudo classes, guys. These are called nth of type, right? This type of things we call the pseudo, guys. Pseudo selectors, pseudo, or you can say pseudo classes, guys. Pseudo classes. So what are the pseudo classes? I'll explain, guys. Observe now. I'll explain here what are the pseudo classes. Now all of you observe. All of you observe here. I am taking the some pseudo classes. Okay. We'll take here. We'll take now pseudo, guys. Right? Pseudo classes. Pseudo classes. All of you observe, guys. Pseudo classes. So there are some pseudo classes out of all. This is the one type, guys. This is the one type of pseudo class. So what are those things? Like the first one is first child is the what pseudo class, guys. First child. See, colon first child. If you observe yesterday also while using the nth of type, how I used like li colon nth of type, guys. All of you remember like even or odd like that. Yesterday we used all of you. This one to remember. Li we used li colon nth of type colon, guys. Colon required. These all pseudo classes start with the colon, guys. Start with the colon. All of you getting my point, right? All pseudo classes start with one. Start with the colon. Okay. Tag name colon and pseudo class, right? Huh. Now, so colon first child. Next colon. Let's take the last, guys. Last child, last child. And next, we'll take the colon, right? Colon, nth, last child, nth last child. See here, we have the last child first, right? Last child, this is the last child, this is the nth last child, nth last child, guys, okay? Last child. Next, normally, nth of type, nth, nth of type, guys. Nth of type, this one, what we have seen yesterday. Nth of type, right? Like this, guys, like that. There are some are there. like only child is there. Only child is the one pseudo class, guys. Only child is one pseudo class, right? Next one, suppose first of type, guys. First of type is one pseudo class. First of type, guys. Sorry, first of type is one pseudo class. First of type. Then like last, okay, last of type is one more pseudo class. One more pseudo class. Right? For example, empty, guys. If any tag empty, there is also one pseudo class. There is also one pseudo class like this, guys. Like that, these all are the like that. These all are one. These all are the pseudo classes. All of you are clear. So yesterday we used length of type as selector, but actually it is a pseudo class. It's a the pseudo class, guys. Pseudo class. Now let us see how to work with the pseudo classes. We'll see now how to work with the pseudo classes, guys. Okay, I'll take one program. I'll take one program. On that program, I apply these all pseudo classes, guys. Right? Yes. Now I'm going to write one program HTML. At HTML, yes, guys. I'm going to take now. All of you observe. I'll take first of all one div, guys. Okay, div tag. Div. I take the container. Div right container. So this div containers means it's a part of which one? Bootstrap, guys. Right? It's a part of the Bootstrap. Now let me take the Bootstrap lanes, guys. Okay, I'll take the Bootstrap. I'm taking one container, guys. One container. In the container, I'll take sorry. I'll take one more one class as a normal one. Let's take here for example. For example, this one I'll take as a one, guys. Let's take suppose class name class one, guys. I'm taking the class one. It's not a default name, guys. It's giving the a normal name, right? Class one. I'm taking the which one? Class one. In this class, I take some paragraphs. Okay, I'll take some paragraphs, guys. I take this is right. This is first paragraph. This is right first paragraph like this, guys. Okay, first paragraph. I'll take one more paragraph. One more paragraph, guys. Sorry. I'll take one more right. This is right second, guys. Second paragraph. Okay, second paragraph. Right. Yes, I'll take the last one. This is the right third, guys. Third paragraph. This is the third paragraph. Enough, guys. We are taking three paragraphs. I'm taking here same type of data, guys. I'm taking now same type of data, same type of tags, p tags only, because I'm going to work with the combination of parent and child, guys. Parent and child combination. I'm taking the same. Okay. Now what is our, guys, here? We have taken the one class. In that class, three paragraphs are taken, right? I'll take some more paragraphs outside the this class, guys. Outside the class, I'll take here one paragraph. Okay. I'll take here outside the paragraph one, guys, right? Outside paragraph one. I'll take one more paragraph outside. I'll take here outside right paragraph 2. I take the last one also, guys. Okay, outside paragraph, right, paragraph 3, like that. All of you observe, right? I'm taking three paragraphs outside the class, guys. Outside the class, outside the this class. All of right, outside the class, I'm taking the which one? Three paragraphs. I'll take one more paragraph, one more again, division, guys. One more class. I'll take the class 2. I'll take the class 2, and there also, guys. I'll take the these all paragraphs, guys. I'll take same copy and paste here. Now all of you are following me, right, guys? All of you are following me. This one, all of you are following me, right? I'll take here in class 1, guys. To make the difference, I'm taking one more, right? In class 1, in class 1, in class 1, right? Class 1. Here also, guys, where is this paragraph? It's also in class 1, guys. That's all. But here in class 2, right? Here also in class 2, guys, right? Here also in class 2. That's all, right? Enough, guys. Enough, right? Enough. If you take some more, you can take one more paragraph, guys, right? This is right, fourth paragraph, where, guys, in class 2. That's all, guys. Enough, right? So fine, guys, right? It's fine now. Now what do? I'll get the bootstrap lines, guys. Okay, I'll get the bootstrap lines, and I'm going to an website to get the bootstrap lines, guys. Okay. Yes, just go to the bootstrap 4, use the bootstrap 4. All right, go to anyone concept here, anyone concept there, click on the try it yourself, guys. You can get the bootstrap lines, this is serial lines from the one official website, guys. What's that name? Getbootstrap.com. On the official website is there. There you have to search, right, all, but already available here, right? We can take from here, and I'm taking some title nth, right, like this, guys. We save this one. After title, now I am going to paste those bootstrap lines, guys, those bootstrap lines, right? Now all of you observe, I save this one. Now I'll run this one, guys. I'll run this one. Yes, just open this one. Yes, now all of you observe, guys, all of you observe. So I'll do one thing, guys. I'll do one thing for this class 1. For this class 1, I'll take one style, guys. I'll take one style. One second, guys. Actually, it opened the style tag, guys. That's why it's better to take the style tag. I'm taking the style, guys. I'm taking the style. For which one? For the first class 1, guys. Okay. So we take the dot class 1, right? Class 1, guys. I'm going to apply some border, guys. For example, I'll take border, suppose 2 pixel border, red color border, solid line. Okay, solid line, guys. Save this one. Let's go there and refresh here. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. All right. Next one. For class 2 also, I'll take one more border, guys. Okay. For class 2, I'm taking now border, right? Border, guys. Same 2 pixel size, 2 pixel size. Let's take suppose blue color, guys, and I take solid line. Okay, solid line. Yeah, that's fine. And for main container, guys, for main class, for main container, right? Container, guys, right? For main container, I'll take the again border, guys. I'm taking the border, same 2 pixels border. Let's take suppose red black color. Then we take the solid line, guys. Right, solid line. Yes. Now all of you observe, explain this one. The parent child relationship. Try to understand, guys. Okay, try to understand here. So here, what is the main parent, guys? Tell me now. What is the main parent here, all of you? What is the main parent here, all of you? What is the main parent here, all of you? What is the main parent? Tell me now, guys. I'll take here some padding. Okay, padding 10 pictures, guys. Right, padding 10 pictures. Tell me now. Allah, tell me now. What is the main parent here? What is the main parent, guys? Main parent here. All of you. Yes. Very good, guys. The main parent is which one? Yes. This container is the main parent, right, guys? This is the main parent. In the main parent, how many children are there? In the main parent, how many children are there? In the main parent tag, how many child tags are there, guys? How many are there? How many are there? How many are there, guys? Only two, or only four, or five, or three? All of you. All of you analyze clearly, guys. Analyze very clearly, all of you. Analyze very clearly, guys. Yes. 1 second, guys. I'll make a little bit more clarification, guys. Okay. See, these are the paragraphs in the class one. These are the in the class two. In the class two, and these are not in the class one, not in the class two. They are in the container, guys. Right? They're in the container. Now, just observe, guys. Just observe here. All of observe now. All of observe here. Yeah. See. This is the right which one, guys? Container. That is the container, right? All of observe now. Container. In the container we have the one class. This is the one child, guys. This is the child one. Okay, child one, guys. Child one, right? And see, this is the one more child, right? This is the one child, guys. Separate tag. This is second child, right? Second child. And observe here one more child, right? Child three. Child three. And here this is the one more child, child 4, and here one more tag is there. This is the one more child, child 5, guys. Child 5. Again, in the child 1, again there are some sub childs, guys. We can say again this is the one more child, the child 1, one more child, one more child. At that time, this one becomes parent. This becomes a child, guys. Again. Here also in fifth child has again it has four children, right? Four children tax, guys. Four children tax. All of you, is this clear for everyone? All of you, is this clear for everyone now? All of you, is this clear for everyone? Everyone? Yeah, very good. So these are not part of class 1, class 2. These are part of which one? Container. I'll take, guys, here container like this. Okay, in container, right? In container, so that understanding is very easy, right, guys? In right container like this. So outside paragraph in the container. Outside paragraph means not part of the class 1, not part of the class 2. That's meaning of outside paragraph, guys. In this case, okay. We save this one. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. Yes. Yes. Now all of you observe. All of you observe. Now on this one, I am going to work with work with one. Work with the pseudo classes, guys. I am going to work with which one now? Okay, pseudo classes, guys. Pseudo classes. Right? Let us see what is the meaning of first child, guys. Okay. What's first one? First child. Right. Now what do I do? What do I do? Now all of you observe. See, first of all, let's talk about container level, guys. Okay, container level. So where is see, this is the class, guys, right? This is the class. This is the class. Is part of which tag? Div tag, right? Div tag, guys. So this is the class, part of which tag? Div tag. So we can write now div dot container like this, guys. While applying styles, I can take like this. Div dot tag container means it's a class of div tag. That's all. In case of this one, how to write, guys? How to write here? Like div dot class 1. Okay, class 1, guys. What's the meaning? It's a class of division tag. It's a class of, again, which one? Division tag like this. Write the classes like this, guys. We can write like this also. Okay. Now what do I do? What do I do? I'm going to styles. All of you observe. Yes. So this all I'll take a single lane, guys. Okay, this all you can take single lane, no problem, right? You can make in a single lane, guys, no issues. You can make in a single lane. Yes. Now I am going to take a new style, guys. Okay, which one? Div dot container. See, div, right? Div dot container. In the container, which tags are there, guys? Here in the div, which tags are there? Container p colon, guys, colon first to child, guys. Okay, p colon first to child, first to child, guys, first to child. Now all of observe what I am doing here in the division tag, which has the container, right? Means this all, guys, this one. In that one, we have the p tags, right? In the class 1 p tags are there, and the container p tags are there. In class 2 p tags are there, right? Now p first to child, guys. For first child, what I am doing now, I am taking the border, guys. For first child, I am taking the border. For first time, what I'm taking here, I'm taking the border, guys. Okay, I'm taking the border. I am taking the border, guys. Okay, border. Uh, what do I? Or else, guys? Or else, now observe here. 1 second, guys. Okay. Uh, right, right. We'll take the border, right, guys? Border. Okay, border. I'll take 2 pictures border. Suppose, guys, some blue color, guys, or else not the border. Let's just color, guys, text color. I am taking here. Suppose the red color, guys. Now see where we get the red color. Where we get the red color. Where we get the red color. Now all of you can observe this one, guys. All of you can observe this one here. So container, I am taking the container, guys. Where is the container? Yes, this one, right? This all container, guys. In this all container, I'm working with the p tag, which p tag, which is the first child, guys. First child means wherever p is the first child, on that p tag, I want to apply red color. On that p tag, paragraph tag, I want to apply red color. See here we have the 3 p tags, and again here 3 p tags, and again here 4 p tags. But what I want now, I want first child. Let us see now. Let us see, guys, right? Save this one. Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Let me refresh here. Yes, guys. Can you observe, guys, now? Can you observe here? Anything came here? Anything came, guys, here? I take the text red. Anything came here? No. No, guys. No. Why? Why? In the container p first child, right? First child, it is there, not there, guys, right? For example, in the container level, I am taking the one p tag, guys. Observe now, right? It is right. It is a paragraph in a container, guys. Okay, I'm taking now like this, right? Now let us see, guys. Let us see now. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. Let's refresh here. Right? Not came. So, guys, any mistake is there here? First to child, right? Suppose if you remove these brackets, first to child, right? P first to child, spelling correct, right? Yes, guys. Okay. Now all of you observe, guys. All of you observe. See, this one I remove. Okay. This one I remove. Just now I wrote this one, right? This all I remove, guys. Explain now. So what happened? Just I taken the brackets, I removed now. Now all of you observe. You think it, guys. Now where the red color applied, guys? All of you observe. Red color applied here. Why only there it applied red color? Now compare both and tell me, guys, reason, guys. So why applying only for this red this paragraph? Why not this remaining two? And why not here? Why not here? And again, why not here, guys? Why not here? Tell me now, all of you. All of you, let me know, guys. All of you. All of you. Dhanteja. Which one? First child of each class. Very good. First child, guys. See, first child of each class. Yes, very good. Now just observe, guys. Now, yes. Now all of you observe. All of you observe here. All of you observe here. Yes. I take this one. Explain, guys. Okay. I hope now you got the clarity about this first child. Still explain, guys. Again, explain now. So this is the right container, guys. This is the container, and I'm writing entire container level, guys. Right, container level. Working with all p tags, where the p must be the first child, guys. Okay, first child. Now observe here in this container level, what is the first tag, guys? In the container level, what's first tag? The first one div is there. The first one div, guys. First one div. The second one, what is there here? What is there? This paragraph is there. Third one, again paragraph is there. Fourth one, again paragraph is there. Fifth one, again div is there, right? Div is there, guys. Right? So in the container level, the first child is not p tag, guys, right? The first child is not p tag. Okay. Now coming to the subchild, this child, guys. In this one again, check it. Again check it. Do we have the first child paragraph or not? Yes, guys. In the sub one, what is first child paragraph only? That's why it applied red color. I'm talking about first child only, not the remaining children, not the remaining, guys. Only first child only. Enough. Now the subchild over, right, guys? The child over. Right, child. Now coming to here. There's only one paragraph. Again, only one paragraph. Again, coming here, this child has again a subchild, guys. Right, subchild. In this one, again, what's first one? First child paragraph only. That's why it applied, guys. Here that style. That style, guys. It will check in every container, guys. In every division, guys. In every class. Guys. Here the main class is container. The main class container, subclasses are class 1 and class 2, guys. These two are the subclasses. Now all of you are clear, right? Suppose guys, now I'll take one paragraph in the container as a first child, guys. The container, what is the first child till now? This division is the first child. Now I take the one paragraph here, guys. I'll take the one paragraph, right? Suppose this is right. This is the first paragraph, guys, like this. Tell me now, guys. Here, does it apply that style for this paragraph or not? All of you, tell me now. Does it apply the style for this paragraph or not? All of you, does it apply the style for this paragraph or not? All of you reply, guys. Yes, it applies, right? It applies, guys. It applies, right? It applies. Why? Because now observe here in the container level, right? Now what's the first child, guys? Yes, paragraph on first child. Now it applies the styles. Now the second child, again subchilds are there. Again here first paragraph is there. It applies again. And this paragraph is not the first one. This is the third child, guys. This is the third child, because first child paragraph is there, second child division is there. Now third child paragraph. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one. Again in the sixth one, again check the what's first one, paragraph only. Now it also applies for this one. Now all of this one clear, right? Let's go there. And let me refresh here. Yes, guys, it applied. Right? Now in the class 1, I'll take the first sum H4, guys. H4. This is suppose, guys, this is not a paragraph, guys. This is not paragraph, right? Then tell me now, guys. The style applies for how many paragraphs now? All of you. The style applies for how many paragraphs now? How many paragraphs, guys? Now all of you observe. All of you. How many paragraphs? All of you, right? Now the question is, in this division, the style applies for this paragraph or not? First paragraph or not? Previously it applied for this paragraph, right? Applied, guys, previously. But now does it apply this paragraph or not, guys? This paragraph or not? All of you, it applies or not? Danteja, super, right? It is not applicable for this paragraph. Why? I am working with the paragraph must be the first child only. Wherever the paragraph is the first child, for that only apply the red color. But in this class, the first child is not paragraph, guys. This the some H4 is there. That's why it won't apply here. Now check it, guys. Observe, all of you. Observe here. Now not applied for this one. Why? In this class, the first one not a paragraph, right? Suppose, guys, I am taking here. I'm taking now H4, guys. What I want now, wherever the H4 is the first child in any division, guys, in any division, if the H4 is the first child, then apply for the H4 this child, guys. Now what happens, guys? Here, tell me now. What will happen now? What will happen here? You can see, guys, right? H4 is the first child. Suppose the same paragraph, guys, the same paragraph I am taking at the end of the division, guys. End of the division. At the end of the division, I'm taking, guys. Okay, I am taking here. Now tell me now, what will happen now, guys? What happens here? Does it apply? Does it apply this paragraph or not? H4. I am taking H4, right, guys? H4 first child I am taking here. Does it apply for this one or not? All of you. So fine now. Now tell me now. This style applies for anything in the division, guys. In this class, does it apply for any paragraph? Any paragraph in H4? Yes, guys. No, not possible. Not possible. Observe, guys. Let's see. The first class, the red color not applied for anything. Why? Because I want about H4, but H4 not a first paragraph here, not a first one, not a first child here. In this class, H4 is the fourth child, guys. Right? Fourth child, not the first child. Okay, that's why not applied, guys. Right? Not applied. Yes, fine. That's fine, guys. Right? That's the first child. Now, all of you, are you clear about the first child, guys? All of you, are you clear about the first child? All of clear, right? All of you. Yes, guys. Now last child, same, guys, opposite. No, that's all. First child means first of the division, guys. Now last of the division, right? Last of the division. Now you give me reply, guys. You give me reply, right? You give me reply, guys. You give me reply. You give me reply here. I am taking the last child. I am taking the last child, guys. Now what is the output, guys? The output, tell me now. This applies for which paragraphs? Now all of you observe here. Last child, right? Last child. Okay, last child, guys. All of you observe now. Right, last child. Yes. See, in this container. Yes. I'm working with about last, right? Last child, guys. Okay, last child. In this container level, what is the last child, guys? This is the last, right? This is the last child, right? That's not a paragraph. Again, in this one, last child, what is there here? Yes, guys, paragraph is there. Now it applies that style. Again, going to this one, guys. In this class also, the last one is there, last line, right? Last line. Yes, here also that applies. That's all, guys. All of clear, right? Okay, let's go there. Let me refresh here, guys. See now, right? Last one, guys. Okay, it applied the last paragraph here and also last paragraph here, guys, in both, right? Suppose, guys, I am taking now that H3 here, guys. I am taking H3. Then what happens now, guys? What happens here? Observe, all of you. observe here. Yes, again, not applied in the second class. By the class 2, the last child is not paragraph, guys. In the class 2, the last child is not a paragraph. What is there? H4 is there. But the first child, what's the last one, guys? The first child, what's the last one? Last child here? Yes, paragraph only. The first class, the last one is the paragraph only. In the last class, which one? In this division, in this class, what's the last one, guys? Is a H4, not the paragraph tag. Now, all of you, are you clear about these two, guys? All of you, are you clear about these two? First child, last child. Yes, all of you. All of clear, right? Okay. Yes, guys, right? The remaining we'll see tomorrow, guys. The remaining we finish tomorrow. The remaining will finish tomorrow, guys. Okay. Fine. So all of you today, I have shown you how to install this Atom in the beginning of the class. You also try to work with Atom, guys. Okay. Try to work with Atom. We keep on change the editors, guys. Okay. There are a lot of editors supporting for this one. We keep on change all the editors.